And
goodness.
she had that little short haircut. I've got to know
Yes.
her over the years after that.
Wow.
Look at this. Watch again on our dear Evia how this works. Flip it back, Evia, please. Remember now, we've now styled her hair 900 times. And I just want to show you, you get every time. Look at the texture. It looks like I've taken her hair and re-diffused it and did a whole different
Right.
shape on it. We didn't.
One of the things we're learning, though, watching him do this, ladies, notice how he's not like putting it all on the top.
No.
He's going to the root.
Always
he's going
underneath.
underneath.
And I say that
is
over.
the trick.
Isn't it?
Yes.
It is. It's so funny. A very, very famous woman said to me once with short hair, she said to me, Michael, I could always tell someone that's going to do my hair right by where they put the product.
Right.
Always. And I always thought
Absolutely.
she paid attention.
It's true. So that's a real, you flip your head over, or if you don't flip your head over, at least go to the root. Go underneath and work it into
Absolutely.
the root underneath. Don't be putting it right on top, because then you're not going to get the full effect and the full benefit of the product. And you get